Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for DCTV USA, and here are the major headlines. As India's COVID crisis grows, the country's ruling party is continuing the construction of a controversial project to revamp the Indian Parliament building. December of last year, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays the foundation stone for a new parliament, a grand and ambitious project to replace the current building constructed during the era of British rule. By 2022. But on that same day, India recorded almost 30,000 new COVID cases, with worse to come. Modi said the people of India will construct this new parliament building together. But many in India are now questioning the government's expensive efforts to revamp this 3-kilometer long stretch from the doorstep of the President's house in New Delhi to the Rajpath, or King's Avenue, where India holds its annual Republic Day celebrations. The ongoing construction has become increasingly controversial at a time when India has shattered global records, repeatedly crossing 400,000 new daily cases of COVID-19 daily while running short on vaccines. A staggering $2.7 billion of taxpayers' money will be used for the Central Vista project, which will also include a new home for India's Prime Minister and Vice President. The opposition Congress party claims this money could have been spent in a better way. India's Minister for Housing and Urban Development Hardeep Singh recently defended the project, saying despite the cost, the government will allocate twice the amount for vaccinations, but this failed to cut ice with opposition parties. The Indian government is already under pressure for mishandling the virus. Constructing a new seat of power at a time as sensitive as this could add to the existing public anger. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.